This is Shorthammer. It is the 1st of December 2019, and we're taking a look at Tree or Lending Tree. I don't play this ticker often. I wait for clear setups, but when it moves, it does move. What I'm watching here is we're in this zone, the 359 by 364-ish area. And what I'm watching for here is buyers. I do want to see buyers, and I'm kind of cautious in between these supply demand lines because the movement can be, I'll say, a little bit sideways and not extensive. Like I want an extension in an area or extension down through an area for me to find a position. But I'm going to be watching this closely because I believe we're going to make a decision from this mid area to either extend down to this 350 area or to extend up to this 377 area, and a break above or below those areas gives me an extension into my next supply demand zone, whether it's upwards into the 400s or downwards into the 320s. So I'll be watching this, and I may be trying a few scalp plays on this based on these extensions on my intraday setups. I plan to use power of pivot setups also on the intraday to help me execute this. But I'll be watching this on a lower time frame and looking for levels on um on tree. I really like where it is right now. I think it's very, very, very interesting. So this is the 5-minute chart using the pop script. So this green line, I'm watching this area, and we'll see. This needs to be red. Let's see how this works out going into Monday. Okay, so if I'm watching this for Monday, what I'm going to watch for, I have a supply demand zone here. That's where we are. Here is the main intraday pop pivot here on the daily, this yellow dash line. I want to see if we see buying from this area and a pushback into this pop pivot here. And if we can break above and hold and squeeze and see what we do around this 364. We can bounce around a bit between here, but we may have room to the upside. If we fail below this 360 and then below this 359, I'm gonna wait for a back test of this area and look to fade it down through the 357s, potentially into the 355 area. We'll see what we have there, like how much buying or selling pressure that we have here on tree. But I'm gonna keep an eye on tree and just gonna watch and see what the buyers and sellers do on Monday during the cash session. If they push us above and hold us above the pop daily, and then we sort of get a squeeze here above this supply demand zone and see buying pressure to push us up, especially through this 365 area. I believe we do have some room up into the 368s. So I'll be watching for that to see how we open on Monday. This isn't my number one, number two, number three, number four, or number five play, but it's going to be on my watch list. And where are we? Let's create some alerts here. Create some alerts on some of these lines so I don't miss any of these plays. Because I will, and I'll also need to create them on a few other platforms that I use because I do not just trade on TOS. I trade a few other places. Just depends on what I'm trading, and I want to make sure that if I am using another platform that I don't miss these alerts. So that's what I'm watching for on tree. We'll see what type of range we have going into Monday during the cash session. But these are the levels that I'm watching on the shorter time frame. And you saw my bigger time frame outlook. If you like this video, tap the like button and go to the Power of Pivots YouTube channel and subscribe to get more videos like these, and also great content from Elisa, who shows you how she uses the pop script to catch great scout plays and also great long-term setups using that script.